Ronaldo Mustel. I'm from Super Debates. You guys might previously know me as Fred. I have some terrible news. I can't really do the show with Fernando or Frank, or as we used to call them, or yeah, as we used to call them, Fernando and Frank. But now, today, their actual names are Ranieri Sanchez. As you can know, we're doing it in an Apple store. Yeah, we were doing it in an Apple store in Miami Beach, but due to some financial things, I got my laptop at home, and let's get it popping. All right, today we're gonna be talking about Barack Obama, Saddam Hussein. No, Saddam Hussein. Fucking Osama bin Laden and fucking gas prices, man, fucking terrible. And some cartoons that they need to put back up right now. Alright, we're gonna be talking about we're gonna be talking about Barack Obama. Barack Obama, as we all know, first black president of the United States. I'm saying we did a terrible job electing him. I think we just elected him because he's black, but goddamn, we really did something bad. He freaking sucks. Gas is horrible right now. Gas right now is fucking $4. You didn't see that with Bush. No, you didn't see that with Bush. We haven't had gas that's been $4 since like fucking Great Depression. That's just not a relief, man. That's fucking retarded. Second of all, I don't know, Osama bin Laden getting shot and killed in his compound in whatever the place is called. Alright, yeah. Team 6 did a really good job killing him, but people say, oh, bro, Osama, he died. I mean, yeah, he deserved to die, but it wasn't Barack Obama's plan to kill him. It was all of that was fucking, it was all fucking Bush's plan. Bush was the one who created that plan. Barack Obama didn't do shit. Barack Obama's fucking freeloader, just fucking there, taking some shit, but he sucks. Barack Obama sucks so bad, bro. I'm sorry. Okay, cartoons that we need to get back on the air, like, right now. Fucking, alright, cartoons we need to get back on. Alright, they need to start making some more Courage the Cowardly Dog. That show is fucking funny. I previously say that show on my, I think, 2 or 3 episodes ago on Super Debates Gone Wild, I think, or Super Debates 4. I'm not sure, whichever one of those. Okay. I have no idea what to talk about. My friends here, Ranieri Sanchez and Milton aren't here no more, so I need some help. If you guys want to apply for any of the, circumstances here, want to help me out, get some ideas to the show, I'll be happy to accept that, and, we'll just do good. Last time, we did really good, our best video, 800 views, that's pretty fucking impressive, so we gotta do something about that again. I'm planning, send me a message, comment on the thing, add me on Facebook or wherever, RonaldoMustel@gmail.com, it's gonna be good, man. Most of the people, I bet, none of these people, only people I know are gonna watch this shit, so, you guys want to help me with the show again, I'd be happy if Ranieri Sanchez and Milton could join me, help me at least with the show, some ideas. So, guys, thanks for watching Super Debates Reloaded. I'm glad to have you here, and I will post a new video maybe next week or sometime when I get some more ideas. Alright, laters.